TEDxErie excites me because it's a unity of the strongest voices and forces in our region that can pull together and create a tide of sorts that will lift many of those in this region who need it and bring a broader, brighter horizon to a number of those in this area. I think that Erie has a lot of things worth being celebrated, and I have some recognition of that, and I want to share it, and I think that this event is sort of a celebration of people who think and feel likewise, who have those things to share, who see what's best about Erie and the surrounding region, and they're able to hopefully communicate it with others who may need to see that vision to embrace it and engage with it. The people, I think that's what sets Erie apart from maybe other cities or locales with comparable demographics or populations. There are thinkers here, there are leaders here, there are action-oriented individuals here who seize opportunities, whether they're in education, entrepreneurialism, heritage, culture, whatever it may be. There are people here in this city and in this region who seize those opportunities and build them into great things. I think of the water in Erie quite literally in this more figurative context, but also it's a time of opportunity. When I see the water for the first time, to me, that means I've reached Erie. So to me, that's the broad horizon, the recognition of what's there, what's available, what lies ahead for me entering the city, but for the city as a whole, and even looking at a broader scope for our region, these tides of opportunity we've spoken about. In my talk, I speak to the fact that the tide is already rising in many ways. We simply need to know how to catch the waves. I've seen things in Erie and in this area that sometimes you doubt others see. You wonder if they see them in the same way you do. And TEDxErie speaks to the fact that yes, others do see them and want to speak to them alongside you so that the masses, the population here within this area can seize those moments and opportunities. I would like to see us reach a point in the Rust Belt where people no longer have to ask that question, why here? It's evident, it's apparent that this is where opportunity is, this is where people with gifts and people with skills and people with ambition come and work and learn and raise families and embrace culture and heritage and whatever it may be. So we no longer have to ask the question, why here? It's a no-brainer. You'll stay here in this region that will someday no longer be the Rust Belt.